Alright guys, so we got another card opening video over here for it. What are you laughing at, baby?
Just go.
So yeah, I've got some more basketball cards. It's the 2017-2018 cards again. My girl laughing over there so much behind the camera. Yes, I found another pack at Walmart the other day. I thought I got them all the last time, but turns out there's another one, so I'm gonna open up this pack while pretend to open up. See how it magically just opened up? We tried this before and had an issue, so we had to restart it, so that's...
That's what I said we should say, and you're like, no.
I said it anyways.
Oh my God.
And yeah, as I say, I'm going to do an updated collection video probably on the next one because this will probably be the last pack that I have purchased until the new cards come out for the new year, December 13th. So we'll do an updated collection video after this. Here are the cards in this pack. There's 30 of them. And the first one is T.J. Warren. We have a rated rookie, Sindarius Thornwell. We have Alec Burks. We have a rated rookie, Ivan Rabb. Still giggling over there.
Oh my God.
What's so funny?
I don't know.
Serge Ibaka.
Chewbacca?
Yeah, Chewbacca. It's clearly Chewbacca. Dylan Brooks, rated rookie. Oh, remember how I told you about the gay thing? Rudy Gay. Poor man. Must have his name be like that.
How sad.
Jonathan Simmons. Yeah, we're not like to ever have my last name is gay. That just kind of bothered me. Rated rookie, Semi Ojulie? I don't know how you pronounce that. Rated rookie. Nice little nose twitch there I saw.
Shut up.
Doug McDermott. Thomas Bryant, Lakers, rated rookie. Still laughing over there.
I need a shower, that's why.
So that's funny. They need
Yeah.
a shower. Alright, just joining in. Russell Westbrook.
Goodness.
Malik Monk, rated rookie. John Wall. I can get out. Ooh, looks like I got a cool card coming up. Another Dylan Brooks, but this one's holographic. Oh, shiny. Fancy.
Ooh.
These are kind of cool.
Totally.
It'd be better if it was a better player, but hey, I'll take it.
Well, you have no choice. You have to take it.
Bill Russell, Retro Series. Yeah, Retro Man. Retro Man. Etwan Moore.
Etwan?
That's how I say it, Etwan.
Sounds weird.
E, and then Twan. I know. Etwan.
Etwan.
Paul Millsap. Here we go. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Remember that guy's name?
Yeah, he has a weird name.
Call him the Greek Freak. Yeah, you tried saying his last name, you got it all wrong.
Oh.
I say his name?
Antaquan.
Yes, clearly, that's how I say it, babe. Good job.
Thank you. I'm amazing.
Yeah, you are. Denzel Valentine.
You're such a dork.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, Jojo Poopy.
You got Jordan Clarkson.
Mom.
Marcus
Mom.
Morris.
Mom. Who's peeking over there? It's just like, not me.
Andre Iguodala.
Iguodala.
Good thing I know these basketball players, because if I didn't know, I probably would be lost like you trying to
Yeah,
pronounce their names.
probably.
Seth Curry.
Curry.
That's like the food.
Curry.
Chandler Parsons.
Parsons.
Michael Kidd Gilchrist.
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 Gotcha.
DeAndre Bembry.
Ooh.
Andre Drummond. A couple more in this pack.
Ooh.
Jabari Parker.
Are any of these the same you already have, or are they new?
I'd have to look. I think some of them might be the same. And Kevin Love.
Love Machine.
Yeah, odds are they probably got some ones I already have in here because
I can't show the book because it's too much to the mirror, so you got to move the book.
I think it goes from here. I think these are all the cards, so you'd have to see. Yeah, there's Kevin Love that I just pulled, and a Jabari Parker. So these are all the same with the 2017, 2018. That'll do out more in depth in the collection, updated collection video, which will be up after this one. But these are all the cards of the same year. So I'll probably have more of the same. And these are the rookies. And some fancy cards.
No, you
in the
put
middle.
you match the cards together.
Uh huh.
That's smart.
Yeah, try to have this best organized as I can. And these are the fancy border ones that I really like for this year.
Awesome. Ooh, and you have room for plenty more.
Oh yeah, I'll be moving all my 2019 or 2018, 2019 cards that you've seen already. From the front, move those towards the back. And then used to be the room for the 2019, 2020 cards that come out December 13th. So yeah, like I said, I'll do more in depth in that in an updated collection video. Probably the next one, which probably won't be until December 13th. I keep saying that. They don't want to buy them cards.
Awesome.
So that'll end that. And we might be doing a live stream, but we're going to probably take a nap first, right,
Yes.
babe?
Yep.
'Cause I guess I need some sleep. I haven't
Well,
really
you only had
slept
30
lately.
minutes of sleep last night, so you need sleep.
So we'll do what? What?
Jill language.
Yeah, it's catching. Contagious. So I guess we'll be going to sleep, and when we wake up, maybe we'll do a live stream.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we do some fun stuff around the house here.
Mm-hmm.
Games
Sounds
and
like
stuff.
a plan.
So be sure to check us out and give this video a thumbs like if you like it. Subscribe, hit that bell down below. Just like to keep saying it, I'll say make that red subscribe button turn gray.
Hit that cute little notification bell and make sure you hit it to all of our uploads.
Yes.
Because there's two choices.
Actually, I think there's three. I think it's none.
Oh, okay. There's none.
Personalized.
There's personalized, and
All.
then all. Yep.
So yeah. We'll see you all later then. Bye.
Bye.
Later, y'all. Peace.